not the same. Yeah.
Oh.
See?
Okay, shall we build it?
Yeah.
Okay, come, let's play in the sun. Pull, pull. Yeah.
Whoa.
Love.
Papa, help me.
This is the saddest kite. Go! Wow! Nice! Look! Oh, look, Ethel's flying very well. Wow! Good job! Look! Do you see that? It's okay, I'll eat it.
Ew. What did I throw? Papa, one more chocolate.
No, you can't eat so much.
Oh, what?
Eat the egg first.
I can eat a...
Close, cannot be too close. It's a kite, not a dog. Whoa, look at that. Let go above the tree, then you'll forever have wind. Paw Patrol. Stitch. Woohoo! Look, he's actually doing it. See these three things? See, these three things. It's dark. Can you see? These three things.
I saw.
What flower you got there for who?
I want that.
Yeah, you can. Who do you want to give that flower to? Who do you want to give that flower to?
Is it a yellow one?
It is a yellow one.
Is it for a girl?
A girl? Is it for mama or another girl?
Another girl is mama.
Ah, let's go give her then.
It's so long.
Yeah.
Yes. Another one. Ethan, he's looking for another stick. He's trying to go some. Wow. Can I touch it?
No, I don't think you're supposed to touch
I'm not sure if you should.
You shouldn't.
Yeah, because we don't know. Oh, wow. I saw one today.
We're good. Good. Job? Yeah, no hospital. You don't have hospital, right?
I'm ready before winter.
What? Ellie?
Her ear got cut when she was little.
What happened to your ear?
She fell down, her ear got cut bad.
We're going to change diapers and this guy is asleep. Your legs.
How much?
Not much.
Hey, Ethan.
Oh, the water's boiling.
Look how much I got.
Wow, enjoy your pizza.
Now let's take a photo.
Guys.
Oh, where are the connectors?
No running this time. Come on.